Hi students, today we're going to talk about extensions and a couple of the details that get in the way when we're getting ready to try to play more advanced stuff, things that we probably did wrong when we were playing our scales or when we were going slowly that really hinder us later when we're trying to play fast or play really advanced things. The first one is, of course, the thumb. All right, thumb has to be behind second finger. I like to say east-west is negotiable depending on the length of your thumb compared to the rest of your hand. North-south, though, not negotiable. Got to be down here behind your second finger. If I'm really like trying to extend, like say I'm back in half position extension, going from say E flat to G, I might even get my thumb down behind my third or fourth finger, just because I really want to open up my hand. And this is the thing, this is just the mechanics of the hand. You know, thumb has to be down here, okay, for this hand to open up. If my thumb is up here like this first finger is locked to the second finger. It just can't go anywhere, all right? So that has to be in place. The other thing that you have to watch for, I'm just gonna play a little A major scale here. Make sure my A's in tune. Notice when I do the extension, I'm not rocking back and forth. I'm not shifting within first position. I am in first position and I stay there. First position extended, okay, all right. I see a lot of students play this E and then shift up for the G sharp. A little habit there, okay. And that really gets in the way. If you're trying to play something fast, or say a fast A major scale, okay, you have to learn to reach these notes all in one position, one extended position, without the rocking back and forth. Same thing, even if you are playing, as I mentioned earlier, you know, the E flat, F, G natural, one position. And this is a great way to practice this. But make sure you're not rocking back and forth. Sometimes it helps if you're having trouble just figuring out how to get this first finger back. Sometimes I tell students, point your finger at your ear. Okay, point your finger at your ear, and that really helps to open up this hand. If you end up on the side a little bit, depending on your hand, totally fine, all right? As long as you're not rocking, this is okay to be on the side. The rocking back and forth, the shifting within the extension, that is not okay, all right? That's what's gonna hurt you later. All right, so let me know how the practice is going, all right? Try this out. Make sure you're paying attention to this, all right? This thumb, and also staying in position, reaching these notes without shifting, all right? Leave a comment, let me know how it's going, and we'll see you next time.